Peace. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new, I want to welcome you back and thank you for joining us today. And today I just wanted to show you a quick method on how to get the WhatsApp application on your BlackBerry Passport, or maybe you're using like another BlackBerry device, but a lot of people want to use the WhatsApp application. So the first thing you want to do is download an application called APK Pure. So it's an APK file that you can download when you're using the web, and you can download the APK to your phone, get the this application, which is basically an app store right here. All right, so you can see, you can browse the app store and download games and any app that you actually want to use. But in this particular case, what we're going to go ahead and do is type right here in the search bar WhatsApp. So let me just go ahead and type that in. And the first one that appears is going to be, so wait, let me scroll down. And it's going to be the one that is right here. It says WhatsApp. So we're going to hit install. And I have already downloaded this one, but I uninstalled it. So I'm just going to reinstall it to my device because the files are already there. And then we're just going to hit install. So this one, you can see the version 1.0.45.3110, and then just hit accept. And then when you hit accept, it's going to go ahead and start. You can see it's installing at the very top of it. So you just wait for that blue bar to go all the way across to the end of it. And when it's finished, you can see it's 26.1 MBs and the WhatsApp 2.19.352. And now we can just hit open. So I'm gonna you can see it's from Facebook, WhatsApp from Facebook. I think it's gonna log some of my personal info, so just 1 second while I wait for that to load. Okay, so says welcome to WhatsApp. Read our privacy and tap to agree. So I'm just gonna hit tap to agree. And then it says right here, type in your phone number. So I'm just gonna go ahead, type in my phone number and everything like that. And then hit next. So it says connecting. So it's sending me a text message to my other device. And I just got a message from this phone that actually has my code. All right, so now I'm gonna find that code and I'm gonna enter it into this device. And then it's verifying right now. So now it's like saying, it says WhatsApp won't run, but then I just tap away from that. And then you can just hit restore to before where it was. And it's gonna load all that data back into your device, and then click next. So then it's actually it remembers my profile right here. So then I just hit next again, and let me just wait for that to load. And now basically you're gonna see that you are able to use the application and everything like that. And you can basically start a chat right here. Wait, what is this? Chats. So you can create a chat from like any contacts or anything like that. But it's pretty cool. You could see, you could just mess around with it now. New contact. But everything works perfectly fine. But that's how you would set up WhatsApp. And then you can see right here, it's working perfectly fine. When you open it up, everything seems to just work perfectly fine as well. And So that's pretty much it, guys. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you guys have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.